If you itemize your deductions on your income tax return, or you make qualified charitable distributions, you may want to stay tuned to find out what kind of receipts you have to substantiate these donations. The Internal Revenue Service requires documentation for any charitable contribution you plan to deduct on your income tax return and for your QCDs. For any single donation of $250 or more, you're going to need more than just a canceled check or a credit card receipt. You're going to need a written acknowledgement from the charity. This acknowledgement must be obtained before you file your tax return or the due date of return, whichever is earlier. In recent years, the Internal Revenue Service has been very stringent and disallowed charitable donations simply because the taxpayer did not have the proper receipts when they filed the income tax return. In fact, there was a fairly large tax court case, where the taxpayer made a large donation. He didn't have the receipt when he filed his return. He got it afterwards when he was audited, but the Revenue Service disallowed that donation. There wasn't any question that it was a charitable donation. The only question was he didn't have the receipt when he was supposed to, and he lost in court. So I urge you to make sure you get these receipts on before you file your tax return. Now, these receipts are going to need certain information on it. You need to make sure it has the name of the organization, the date of the gift, and the amount of gift. Also, the statement needs to state that no goods or services was received. If you have non-cash donations, there's a different set of rules for that. You're going to need a description of the item, the fair market value of the item. And if your non-cash contributions exceed $500 in total during the tax year, you're going to have to file a Form 8283. If you have non-cash gifts over $5,000, you're going to need a qualified appraisal for those gifts. And then you'll have to attach an appraisal summary to your Form 8283. Donations of marketable securities do not require an appraisal. You take care and have a fantastic day.